Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete products from your Shopify store. Whether you're removing outdated items or cleaning up your catalog, this quick guide will help you manage your products efficiently. On the Shopify dashboard, click on Products on the left side of the dashboard. Once the product list loads, we can see all the available products. Now, select the products we want to delete. If we want to delete all of them, we can select everything at once. Once we've selected the products, click the three dots and choose Delete Products. We'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Once we confirm, the selected products will be removed from the list. We can see that the products are now gone. And that's how we delete products from our Shopify store. Keeping the product list organized makes it easier to manage the store and improves the shopping experience for our customers.